Hello and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another tripod, and this will be my third tripod, although this is a little bit different. It's a professional light stand, as it's called, not actually a tripod, from a company called, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, Konig or Konig, something like that. Anyway, I'll show you. There's nothing to look around the box much. It came in bubble wrap, which I took out. It says, mount a studio lamp to the stand to create professional studio lighting. It is lightweight yet stable. So that's what I bought. I bought a kit. So this is one part of it, and there's another two. So what I've decided to do, I should do 3 videos. This will be my first one. I'll do the unboxing for the other 2 at a later date. So look out for them if you're interested. So with that, we'll get on with the unboxing, so you can see what you're getting for your pennies. I've never had one of these before, so this will be my first. So I'll move that out of the way. Take the shrink wrap off. I did cut that off earlier because I wanted to see what I was getting. Yeah, comes nicely in a nice little package as usual. Carry package, so that's quite good. It feels quite good quality actually. It's not too heavy. Let's get this out. This is the bit you all want to see, hopefully. If not, you don't. I'll move that out of the way for now, and that's it. So what I'll do, I'll open her up. There's a little thing here to loosen it off. So you move these 3 legs out of the way, like so, and it should open up. Yeah, there you go. So do you do it like that, or do you just do it like that? I don't know. Like I say, it's a novelty for me. Not done one of these before. Oops. Oh, there you go. So I was trying to push that, and because that's all linked, so you need to push that. Something to remember. So I suppose that's the ideal place. Obviously you can adjust it. I'll move the camera around to show you. Yeah, obviously you can adjust it to suit your lighting, so you could have it, you know, like that, or if you need it spread out a bit more, and then you just do that up like so, and it shouldn't be able to move. No, it can't. And then obviously you've got this. So let's see how high it goes, shall we? So that's your first setting, max, and then this one, I'll just short the ceiling at that, so I'll just quickly show you. There you go, all the way up to the ceiling. Put it back down again. So that's it. So it's just a short video of my professional light stand. I ordered it from Amazon. I'll stick a link in the description for you, and if you have any comments, please post them below, and if you like my video, give me the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.